Heyo, turkeys, and welcome back. It is our Takesgiving special, and we got a video for you. Chef actually got to spend Thanksgiving up north on the reservation there with his wife's family. He had a great time. Of course, we prayed for his safe return, which he did come back from. And we hope everyone had a great and safe Thanksgiving. So, Chef's going to be sharing with us a Thanksgiving leftovers. This is Thanksgiving enchiladas. If you have them left over, feel free to make this, but you can also make it next time you have a feast. We have our new IT director here at the helm with his double computers, and our international director is also helping making this video. So, without further ado, let's get cooking. Chef has some leftover turkey, and you can use white or dark meat, up to you. Chef is going to be using carrots for his vegetable. These are just some carrots cooked in some butter, as well as the homemade mashed potatoes and the stuffing, of course. You need those. And then Chef has some medium tortillas there. And what he said you're going to want to do is just get everything nice and warmed up and on the table to make a nice little section just like that. Easy to do. All the ingredients will be listed down below too, folks. So the first thing is he's got his warm mashed potatoes, and he's just going to spread this around with a knife, making it nice and smooth. You want to give yourself plenty of room for other of the fixings. After the mashed potatoes are on, go ahead and put your stuffing on. Okay, put them anywhere you want, or move them to the middle. Okay, go ahead and place your turkey right on top, and don't forget to leave some room because you have to roll this up, Chef. He's going to place a couple carrots. If you do have cranberry sauce, feel free to put that on as well. Chef's wife is going to roll these up because Chef does not roll that well, and he usually stuffs them too much. So be careful. Be mindful of how much you put in. And once they've been rolled up nice and tight and folded, go ahead and place them in a nice oven-safe container like this glass dish. And then just put them in neatly. Chef now is going to add his homemade gravy there from the leftovers, of course, homemade gravy. Put that right on top, and then make sure you leave some for the side as well. And Chef has some sharp cheddar and mozzarella cheese, a little mix there that he's just going to place right on top as well. He's going to have his oven set to 350 degrees. So when they're all nice and cheesed up, go ahead and place these in the oven for 30 minutes. Again, we are up north, so this is not your typical kitchen, just in case you're wondering where we are. And there you have it. Little extra cheese, but that's okay. Go ahead and divide these up, and you can plate them up. Chef did have a section of us cutting into one, but it didn't come out as well we wanted, so I apologize on that. But in the end, here is one of them right there, and it was really good. Again, have some gravy on the side to kind of dip in or do what you want with. And we hope everyone did have a good Thanksgiving. We hope everyone's safe and getting ready for the holidays this coming month. So thanks everyone for joining us again on this Takesgiving special. We do hope you enjoy this and try this out. We think you're going to really like it. Don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.